Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. So today we are making coconut shak. Yes, you heard me right. This is shak, papa in Kiswahili. So we're going to make something with it, some coconut stew with this shak meat, and we're going to have it with ugali and some kienyeji coconut veggies. So the first thing you want to do is boil your shak just to clean it up thoroughly. Then after you boil it and it's well done, just add in some oil to your pot, and you can add in onions, garlic, ginger, or any other preferred spices. And then you want to cook this down and then add in some tomatoes. Then you cook them down to a thick stew, just to give it the gravy feel and the taste. You can add in any other seasonings that you prefer. I added Royco, and then just cook it down to this consistency. As you can see, it's well stewed. So the next thing you want to do is add in your coconut cream or coconut milk, whichever is preferable, or both, for extra creamy taste. So you let this cook with the shak just to absorb all the flavors, and let it cook for about 2 minutes and it will be ready. Then the next thing you want to do is just cook your vegetables. Here we only added some onions and some coconut milk, and just simmer this for about 5 minutes and your vegetable kienyeji's will be done and your meal is ready to eat now. So this is our shak in coconut stew and coconut kienyeji veggies served with ugali. This is a typical Kenyan coastal meal, and I hope you'll try it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram and all social media platforms. Bye.